Hello and welcome. Today we are going to flip through the cards of the Green Witch's Oracle deck. This deck is by Arin Murphy-Hiscock, author of The Green Witch, illustrated by Sara Richard. And this was a gift from a dear friend of mine, and I believe she found this at an estate sale. So I will be running through this and showing you the cards. The back of the box says, "Guide your magic with nature's wisdom. Introducing the Green Witch's Oracle deck, a magical tool that connects you with the wisdom of nature and the enchanting realm of green witchcraft. Embark on a transformative journey guided by this captivating oracle deck. Within this deck's beautifully illustrated cards, you will find a tapestry of botanical wonders, ancient symbols, and mystical creatures. Each card offers you profound insights and guidance for your spiritual path. Let the Green Witch's Oracle deck reveal the secrets of healing, manifestation, and intuitive growth. Whether you are a seasoned practitioner or a curious seeker, this deck serves as a bridge between the human and natural realms, fostering a deep connection to the elements and the spirits that dwell within them." And then there's a blurb here about the author. All right. The box says, "Embrace the wisdom and insight of natural magic." This is the inside of the top of the box. The inside of the bottom of the box. And the box is pretty cool. Look at these different pictures of nature here. Very cool. And there is a book that comes with it. And here's a little bit about the author. So there are color pictures in it. Descriptions on each of the cards. An introduction. Understanding your Green Witch's Oracle deck, Part 1. Basics, uses, working with the deck, Part 2. Yes, so let's get straight to the cards. Oh, they do have some spreads here too as well, so that's nice. The cards and how to interpret them in Part 3, and then it goes right into the descriptions. Okay. So let's take a look at this beautiful deck. And the first card we have here is Broom. Energy clearing, freshening. And then we have Earth, peace, grounding. I like that one. Moss agate, positivity and change. I do really like moss agate. Sage, wisdom, purification, and harmony. Lavender, tranquility, kindness, self-care. Potion, invigoration, empowerment. Altar, gratitude, releasing burdens. It does have a unique artistic quality to it. I like it. Cauldron, creation, opportunity, caring. Moth, mystery, concealment, illusion. Mushroom, recycling, breaking down problems. Sun, healing energy, happiness, comfort, joy. Moon, phases, cycles, intuition. Time, presence, self-awareness. Watering can, asking for help, sharing burdens. Basil, prosperity, luck, love. Get ladybugs on there. Chamomile, gentleness, relaxation, sleep. Rain, cleansing, purification, hydration. Mint, abundance, persistence, proliferation. Cup of tea, patience, reassessment. Hearth, safety, comfort, spiritual connection. Salt, protection, banishing negativity. Mortar and pestle, integration, subtlety, thoroughness. B, community, cooperation, sweetness. Butterfly, transformation, joy, beauty, transience. Bird, freedom, opportunity. Earthworm, clarity, rumination. Hedge, potential, boundaries, indecision. Got the crossroads right there. Hedge. Oak tree, power, courage, strength. That's cute how they have the acorn, the roots wrapping around it. Pine tree, vitality, longevity, and perseverance. Again, with the pine cone underneath the trees is cool. And they each have their own, I'm assuming it's a moon. Aww. Preserve, security, forethought, thrift. It's such a cute little, I was going to say minchkunk. My sister used to, when she was a little kid, call chipmunks minchkunks because she couldn't say chipmunk. So cute. Walking staff, support, encouragement. Rosemary, remembrance, loyalty, faithfulness. Carnelian, energy, leadership, creativity. Sickle, focus, regrowth, letting go. Seeds, new ideas, hope, open-mindedness. Roots, healthy patterns, early growth. That's a cool looking card. Trunk, stability, loyalty, reliability. Love owls. Leaves, renewal, revival, progress. Buds, new beginnings, expansion. Fruit, achievement, success. Soil, stability, simplicity. Snow, rest, contemplation. Fog, obscurity, feeling lost. Spring, rebuilding, awakening, rebirth. Summer, expansion, growth. I was just watching a bumblebee over here on the flowers next to me. Autumn, bounty and balance. Winter, an ending, recharging, reflection. And I do love cardinals. So, planning, setting intentions, optimism. Tend, maintenance, encouragement, and guidance. Harvest, determination, hard work. That is the last card. And we will, they shuffle nicely. And I think we will just choose one here and see what the descriptions are like. All right, we have Earthworm, Clarity, Rumination. All right, I will get the book out. All right, and the book says, the humble earthworm breaks down organic material and aerates soil, serving an essential function in the health of plants. Without the earthworm's work, the soil would be too heavy and lack the oxygen roots need to thrive. Additionally, the organic matter wouldn't be as well blended in the soil. The earthworm card reminds you that some essential work is happening under the surface in your life. Nature is bringing you closer to your goal. It also suggests that it's time to confront what troubles you. Consider breaking down big emotions into less intimidating, smaller chunks that are easier to digest and understand. And then the reflection says, what can you do to help yourself when you feel overwhelmed? Very cool. All right, and that is the Green Witches Oracle deck. I appreciate you being here and going through these cards with me. And until next time.